dwa ene say oba atoye atifi mantam west north region empanifo wonom ewo nimde wa pomdim wonom kirem say enei mpox yadewa no wonom anya 8 confirmed cases asahwiyoso edia ewom baako ewonsem yede eba na fi yede aba besomo sanso ena okasiebo yimo no yade say enredey amamra ni amande nso akoso ama education director ana owo sahwiyoso mansini mu no enhye kwan so no wonom aya kwankogya som kosonkokra ede agya ne kwan ede afiri mansini mu say oko na fi wakwa to ne dwumadie so ewo mantam foforo mu a eno ehonsam ewokasiebo yi mu a yede eba na yede aba abesomo na ne ye kase no aseda ekọ ede ama omampani se wabọ ne homode se nei ode ankorankora suku eba be shefri SHS ni mu a ensem yi ni afoforo pi amano ne ne gidie nyina aka ho a yede eba na fe yede aba abesomo ewokasiebo yi mu Liberty adukunu mienu na chiripo enson kasafidie eso na meka wo se kasiebo yi edem ewo Facebook My Liberty FM My Liberty FM enti wo dia ne se obebo my now the Liberty FM enso atwa so kama pa enso ede amaika ise brepam ye begebre na fi yakenkan ende ma nyina kama pa enso ede amaw Ghana de hia meka wo se eni awote no kasiebo yi mu no eyeme osomafo kwame owusu tikasie KOT ana wasugusia utimi yentwa hu simakuma bi mraye ba kasie no nkire mu no yede ba
Liberty FM Liberty FM Liberty FM
Ghana de se yenje bre na yenche kasiebo no ase na yenche kasiebo no ase a na yenche ase e de free omampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na nei wakasa e de ensem atudwa ade atu edwa se enei na ban me kire ene disi aban enei wonom te so a wono ene omampani a wototo ne yamadi animboa ne yamagina se wabra viempim mienu ne adunu enai abato no epompon so na abanani mu no bo se ba ko a wo she Ghana adohie bi ene se enkakra so o man no to abama no de ne friend say 24-hour economy eba na fi abeboa ma ne yamagina akoso se nei dwumadi ahodo a se ekoba ne se enei dodo no ano ohwe a nipa be se mienu omudi ayapon na emom se nya nipa no bi ka de mfidie ka ho anadwo da so nipa ya da nyina no ebinu betumi abaye adwuma na aboa ma o man no nchekire ne mpuntu atimi akoso na eno ode tudwa se enei obetumi aboa amasa 24-hour economy no atimi afa ne ntampa afira na omampani John Dramani Mahama de nsemi etu edwa wabra enei na oni adehie bi ahia na wonom ebobo kwanpa ebefa so amane eba nyina enso atimi akoyie ewo Jubilee House ana wode ensemi etudwa akirem se eyade se wonom guso eye nhye ya atworo ne magu atintim krata de aguo ahwe kwan pa ne wonom befa so na 24-hour economy no wonom betimi afa so de adi dwuma na no ana osusu se ba ne sa ebetimi aboa ama oman no ne nchekire ene ne nkanko atimi abam muma yentie wa bra Ghana mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na odi ensem etudwa no
program. As a destination, the 24-hour economy policy reflects a state where Ghana's productivity and capital utilization will become so high that we'll have to operate in multiple shifts across day and night, maximizing the return on infrastructure, on human resources and innovation. This idea captured the public imagination during the 2024 campaign and remains at the core of our drive towards full employment and inclusive economic growth. As a program, the 24-hour economy demands a deep and deliberate restructuring of our productive economy. We must re-engineer our production systems from top to bottom, boosting volumes and diversity and shifting from reliance on raw materials towards the export of value-added products, wholesome foods, pharmaceuticals, garments, industrial inputs, and digital services. Earlier this month, I received the complete draft of the 24-hour economic policy from my advisor, Mr. Guzitano. I have reviewed it, and I'm confident we now have a coherent and actionable framework with which to deliver the results. An effective catalyst for the 24-hour economy policy is a stable macroeconomic environment which we are achieving through close coordination between the monetary and fiscal authorities. But the program goes beyond macroeconomic stability, which already, like I said, is being pursued by the Ministry of Finance and the Bank of Ghana, and focuses sharply.
Eti Omampeni John Dramani Mahama and Ajebre na fe wachre ensama wudo musa ede achre na nenkasa yemu na wode etudwa chem se ohwe 24-hour economy a wode eba no a wose we no enya ni swadi nu keke na we eyese eye ani swadi hunu bia wode aba na ne botaye nso ne se betumi aboa ma adehye enya adwuma ye na aboa ama oman no nkwanko ne mpunto atumi agina ne nan so na eno na wo chem se nei oman Ghana no yebesi oman no agina ho no enwo akoyinya se oman no yegina ye kan etambom se betumi abo sika foto ede abo na se sika foto ne betumi abo a 24-hour economy ayade se edimu ntintimba pa enti yegina ye nsomu ye na ye mboa ema ne ma entumi nkoyi a Ghana man pennies Excellency John Dramani Mahama chirense musi.
Water Lake Corridor is only part of the broader plan. The 24-hour economy program identifies priority value chains across all regions, and these include agro-processing, pharmaceuticals, textiles, light manufacturing, tourism, digital services, and the creative economy. Each one has specific bottlenecks, and the program outlines targeted solutions. On infrastructure, the Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund will lead efforts to develop industrial parks, logistics hubs, and upgrade transport links. On financing, the Development Bank of Ghana and the Venture Capital Trust Fund will scale up value chain finance for SMEs, cooperatives, and agribusiness in priority sectors. On land, we will develop local land banks, zoned, titled, and investment ready to reduce any delays and uncertainty to investors. On skills, the Aspire 24 sub-program of the 24-hour economy policy will be launched to train young people for shift-based work, digital roles, and entrepreneurship. And on incentives, we'll introduce tax reliefs on machinery and inputs, fast-track regulatory approvals, and export facilitation. The 24-hour economy program is not a top-down model. It is decentralized. Each district will establish its own 24-hour implementation task force, housed within the district and municipal assemblies, and aligned with our local economic development policy.
Enti awusha Omampeni John Dramani Mahama na wote ne kase wajebre na ochire ensema wudo mu ede achire sei sende 24-hour economy ne maye no aba no de adehia yewo atoya TV mantem no ebeboa yen ene obibia na awie otie no eyade se yemfa ye renhye ni mu se ba wabai no obeboa ma 24-hour economy no atubi agina ne nan so eno ene ensema wudo bia jede eto manimi Ghana adehia yento akase yebo no so na yenko gina mu ewo ensem foforo mu ye trakase no so akogina mu ewo ensem foforo mu a na mama yenko na yenko gina mu ewo enwomahia mu esansempania ka to se oman bia ne nkan kone ne nchechire no ya na egina enwomahia so na yekọ enwomahia mu a ye nyina ye nimsem se ye kese yi no enche ye bia ana ebeto dwa se aban ya wa bai woni nhyehyeye mu kire se obama fami kwanto aso suku free SHS no eyade se ode ankrankra suku awodo no eba beka ho se de be ye ebe boa ma mpempi enipa ya na wonom kobọ dompem awo bia ya wonom esua de no eso atimi ate na aboa ma de wo bia so ho ahehan no amane ma akonkan na nsemi ba ye no enipa dodo na wonom a kire o madwen na owura yi wadi dwuma ewo man yi mu se mrahye bedwani pen ye kese eba ne ngoma sua so a wakwadare wompa na oyobi nso a eba ne se Muslim som Islamic emuno wa scholar pa wum onbonyamfo Alhaji Muhammad Harun Cambodia ana ndey wakasa ade atudwa se ene aban no hyehyɛ ya wa na dwen se obeye na fe waboa ama entwoso suku aye kwa ne kwai wade ebi akwa ankrankre suku ahodo mu no obo ne nsɛm di ma aban no pa esansa sanse na aban no ede ba no ne kwan so ano no na ono ena osusu se ebetumi aboa na wabra wone ensamtwerefo ebo nkomo ena wode tudwa se Owia ankrankre suku awodo na enei no ewo ho no a dodo no a eboa oman no mpuntuo nanso ekoba ne se enei entwaso suku famekwa no eba ye no a adesuafo no dodo no a no anya kwanya ankrankre suku no eba ankrankre suku anwode no etimi ekofa biye pa enti se akoye omanpani ani suadi hunu se oye de aboade a na ne enei abasobode pa na yewurai osefata.
Excellent move by the government. I say so because most of the private schools have become abandoned for lack of students. With the idea of no cut-off points, anyone who writes BECE goes into senior high school. So there's no cut-off point. If there were cut-off point like those who have up to grade 30, they will be absorbed by the senior high school. They will be admitted by senior high. Those who get any grade worse than that should what? Have to repeat. That's why we advocated for the establishment of the November, December or private exam for junior high schools, so that they will improve their grades and go into senior high schools. But now, with the introduction of the free senior high school policy, this has been stopped. In the computer language, we will see that all those with bad grades go to senior high school, and so the private schools remain with their students. And so that is why the government has come out. It's a very wise decision to absorb the private senior high schools to be part of the free senior high school policy.
Na wo yerai nensem wo no osan to nensam so edit udwa kire mu se ade ba ko esan ye ne depa ene se ekoba se ankrankra suku a wonom go mayi mu no aban no ade wo dwumadie eka fame kwanto so suku no ho a beboa ma ode akyekirefo nso a wonom akwadare ewanimdie pa e wa de kire mu akọ ankrankra suku mu ana afenso efasa akwan no so no so a ebeboa ma dodode awodo no a oman ni suku ahodo no no nya efri aban mu no ankrankra suku do so atimi anya bi.
I asked my very good friend, the Honorable Deputy Minister for Education, Dr. Clement Apak, said they are going to give them teachers, the teachers who will not qualify by GES standards. That is my understanding. Will have to be sacked from the schools and then GES qualified teachers sent there. But the benefit will be there are certain things that are paid to senior high schools. So the private senior high schools will benefit from the free senior high, the money that they will send there. You know, they give them one hot meal, and then that is another benefit of it.
Aha, enti eno